name's Nick, and this is an instructional video on how to change your tire. You need a jack, you need a car, this is my 2016 Scion FRS, and you need a tire iron. Now you get the jack under a solid part of the car where the metal is. Don't put it too close to the front, you'll bend your body. Now, once you have it jacked up a bit, but not fully so that the wheel is still touching the pavement, you have to loosen some of the lug nuts. Not all the way, just loosen them. The reason you do this is because once the wheel is no longer touching the ground and you go to loosen them hard, the wheel's just going to spin on you. And that, not super helpful. Alright, loosen a bit. Jack it up some more. Now, it's starting to come off. Boop. If possible, you're better off just investing the money in a 2-ton jack instead of the crappy one that comes in the back of your car, but either will do fine in a pinch. And now, see? Luckily, I've got this kind of wrench. This is not the kind that comes in the back of your car, but I do this enough where it's worth it. Same old lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Now, you want to do this in a star pattern, so like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this, okay? Because if you loosen or tighten them in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction, it's going to throw the balance of the wheel off, and you may get it where If I weren't wearing gloves, I'd probably just loosen them all the way with my fingers, but kind of hard to get my fingers in there with the gloves on. The gloves are for grip and so that I don't get a ton of dirt and grease all over my hands and nails. Last one right here. And all you got to do is lift it a little bit. And it comes right off. Now, for the heck of it, what you're looking at here is your brake discs, your rotor, your brake pads, and your calipers. That's what makes your car stop. So, I'll see you in a minute when I've got a new tire on this wheel and we'll put it back on.